ay nagmarcha dito sa harap ng Senado para ipanawagan
ANP! PNP!
Conflict sa Filipino kids na po. Litisin! Sara litisin! Sara litisin!
Panagutin! Batok! Arestuhin! Naalala ba ng mga pulis na ito? Ang pinagsisilbihan at pinoprotektahan nyo to serve and protect the ruling class!
For Sara Duterte, our call for the Senate is that once they receive the articles of impeachment from the lower house, that they immediately constitute themselves as an impeachment court and immediately, forthwith, try the Vice President for her impeachable acts. There should be no delay. This has been more than a year delayed already. So there is no reason for the Senate to delay the impeachment any further. We are here to call on the Senate to not allow themselves to be a refuge of a suspected criminal who is being tried for crimes against humanity, for mass murder before the International Court. It is highly shameful, disgraceful that the Senate, that is supposed to be a bastion of accountability and justice, is cuddling a fugitive from justice.
We are here to demand the Senate to stop blocking the impeachment of Sara Duterte. We are demanding that the Senate should stop cuddling corrupt officials and individuals like Bato de la Rosa accused of crimes against humanity. The people's clamor is for the Senate to allow the presentation of evidence. At a time of rising prices, worsening poverty, we are angry that the Senate is protecting those accused of systematically stealing from public funds.